po, sa galing. Di ba may grip ang tawag yan? May grip?
Coconut leaf, sir.
Kaya nga, may grip. Oh. So,
Yan. Linisin natin siya. And then, para mabit.
It is. I was so surprised it was good. And we were just talking and he just, finished it. I was glad when it was done.
it will turn down.
Oh yeah, that's right. But it still looks nice, yeah.
It was surprising.
You know, and then all of a sudden it's there. Yeah. It's so intricate also. So isang ganyan lang tapos
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So we need to like little bit thin yung trunk, yung dahon. Kasi para easy to bend, like feet size.
oh, it's a
More
whole.
than
Example, this is your feet size.
Okay.
So feet with fishing line.
Again,
Feet size. This is for you, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Your name, sir?
Marco.
Marco, my name is Eddie,
Hi.
and then I work as lifeguard. Slash water sports.
Taga saan mo kayo?
So,
Oo,
yeah.
ano, puro akong
Sir Marco,
kapatid.
I'm glad to meet you, sir.
Kapampangan.
Nice to meet you.
Pero, nag-i-stay kami
So,
dito sa
here's
Alistan,
the
nearby siya. Yan ang bilay kong condo.
Ganun, no? Kasi yung asawa ko, yung
So, this one, sir, it's a fishing line
Nylon.
or nylon. So, we fix the heat size po with nylon and then make it tight and then cut the nylon first. And then if your this is your heat size, good. Yeah. Tomato. Cut it here. Then we put a groove, sir, here.
Groove.
Then after,
A notch to lock it in
yes, sir.
place. Okay.
Make sure. Then later I show you how to weave and making the brim of coconut pie. Yan. Para lang na hindi mag-move.
Mm.
As in ma-fix yung inside. So after making a loop dito,
Oh, I see.
then after
So kayo,
making another big loop. Then after that, we of course we fix the
Ah,
inside. So like here, like this, sir. Then here, then more. Make sure not moving the big size, and of course here, here. Okay. And one more. Okay. So so the weavings for Marco is we start here. We're gonna do like make it over, under, over, and then inside. So we bring inside because this is the top of the coconut hot later. So another over, under, over.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So this is the brim or the round. So just keep going na lang po to make like over, under, then bring inside for the top. And
Ang galing.
thank you, Sir Marco. So yun, sir, keep going na lang siya
Hanggang mabuo.
hanggang mag-meet sila inside po.
Tapos ito na yung sa top
Yes,
part.
sir.
Ang galing. Okay.
So, yeah. Then, okay. Then, yan. So, same wide, sir. And then tight. So, that is horizontal. Yan. So, first time, a little bit difficult. But if you learn, if you would like to learn, so you need to must be
Practice.
patient.
Yes.
Just follow the instruction, how to wave, how to hold the leaves. So sometimes if you hold like 2 months like broken, they might put the
Ah, I see.
yes, sir. And then sometimes there's also a kind of leaves it's like totally like
Too
from
brittle.
brittle. So easy to like broken.
So, dapat fresh para
Yes, sir.
madali.
Even not fresh po or young coconuts leaves.
Mm.
Very important the stem, sir. Easy
Ah,
to
I
bend.
see. Okay.
So and after and then next procedure na po if we done we meet here at the other side.
Mm.
So next is we count the leaves and then we divide how many leaves and then we divide into two. And then that is the time we need to that is the time we're waving the top of the coconut palm. So for example, this is the last three leaves. So that's why we're not biting when we're for the starting because this one the three leaves left. So we insert here 1, 2, and 3.
Ah, okay.
So this one we make it over under and then over again. But then here we pull slowly like that and then little bit tight. Same white to make it yeah. Then last two. So make it over again and then under and then over. So we pull the leaves slowly. And then here. Yeah. Last one, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So we make it over, under, then over here, over, then make sure we fold the leaves slowly. Like this. One, okay, like this. Then we tie also with this one. And this one of course. Okay, we're done the brim. So
The rim. Yeah.
look sir.
Yes, very nice.
Yeah. So after that we need to count the leaves like here. We start here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20.
So has 20 leaves. So we divide into two. So 10 and 10 are.
Mm.
And then we hold like that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. Other side 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay. So now the weaving is going to the right. So this one is going to the right and this one is going to the
Left.
so one. We're gonna do we get one here, the one here. One here. Then insert 1, 2,
Mm.
2, like that. 3, 1,
I didn't hear.
2,
I didn't hear.
No, they fixed the. What? Did you get a hat?
I Oh, I'm sorry.
4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, sir. Yan.
Sin. Sin. S-I-N.
5, 5 here at the top. Three times. But later, sir, Marco, if there is a hole here at the top,
Mhm.
we're gonna do, we insert one more
To close it
insert
off. Mhm.
to make sure no hole here at the top. So,
He's making it. And we were just talking and
and then we can make also grasshopper with coconut leaves.
Ah, really?
Yesterday,
Mhm.
I make coconut hat with birds.
Birds for the kids.
Actually,
Even adults.
sir, if
Yeah.
they want or they like,
It's a nice souvenir.
this is like totally native souvenirs for you.
Yeah.
And this is alternative activities for origami.
Ah, yeah.
And here inside the we call coco art leaves out of last two.
And then the rest of the leaves the other direction. No?
Yes, sir. And then the other side, so when you weave, so different direction because this one, now we're going into the right, but other side, the other leaves, half of this is the weaving is going to the left side. Then last, so next is this one. Then so yeah, keep going. So okay, then make sure po. Then okay. Okay. After, Sir Michael,
Yes.
it's okay to release. And if how many leaves left at the top, so same also under.
So we should have 10 leaves left.
Yeah, yeah, sir. So we have 20 leaves, and then we divide into two. That is 10 pieces, and then yeah, we just keep going weaving until they meet here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why when the starting also not tight, because the last leaves we're gonna insert also. So this one, last 3 more leaves left. Then, okay, so dalawa na lang natira. So dalawa rin yung natira sa ilalim. Then yun, isa na lang. Last one. So ito na siya. Last na siya. And then mapansin natin may hole siya. Ayan. Okay. So ito last. Insert. Ayan. Okay. So may hole pa siya.
Yes.
So we're gonna do, we add some more inserting the leaf. So this is the easy part because yeah, just add one insert. So until they mate din sila sa other side. Cool. Na ano lang, timing lang na dahon sir is kahit medyo old na siya, still ano po yung hindi siya brittle yung kanyang lalo na yung stem niya. So easy.
Ano pa pong ibang leaves na pwedeng gamitin?
Ano sir, like palms,
Palm.
pwede siya. Wag lang yung banana leaves kasi banana leaves is whole siya na as in dikit-dikit
yes.
siya.
Kailangan manipis
Oo.
na.
Except lang kung siguro ihahabi mo rin siya as like parang
Ay, yung
bugtong-bugtong
fibers.
lang and then ano mo lang siya. Pwede siya. Pero ito kasi as in talagang
Diretso na.
diretso. Hindi na kailangan mo pa na ihabi or ano pa siya. Pag na ano mo na yung gauge size, so moving ka weaving na, and then pag na weaving na, start ka for like yung hanggang ma-fix. So last one, ito na yung last one, and then after, yeah. So after Sir Marco, so we tied po like this, yeah. So yan.
Para mag-close.
Yes sir. And then, yun.
Oh,
So then this one sir is you can use a year.
half a year.
Yes, like 4 years. Before we have guests, we have a guest stay in Island Resort, and then when they left at the hotel, they're going back to Japan, and then after 4 years they come back
Oh, wow.
at the hotel,
With the
and
hat.
then they wear it again, sir.
Wow, ang galing.
We surprised because the color changed.
So brown na siya.
Ano sir, light white.
Light white.
Kasi siyempre malamig din sa kanilang lugar. And then bukod sa malamig talagang binarnisan nila. So
Para ma-preserve.
yes sir. So kung makita natin sir is wala na siya.
Close na.
Close na siya. So more tight pa kasi para more like ano talaga
Kasi pag natuyo siya, luluwag din siya konti.
konti siya. Pwede siyang i-ano sa wall or i-dikit sa wall.
I-hang.
I-hang mo lang. And then kung lalabas ka kasi sobrang lamig sa ulo to sa
Mahangin.
maano siya maano yung ano mo kumbaga unlike sa mga sombrero na binibili is mainit pag lalo na pag mainit yung panahon. So ito na siya.
Very nice.
So yung ano naman ito, yung exist na leaves is i-insert lang natin siya kung saan siya nakaharap. So example, dito siya nakaharap. Hold lang natin konti dito sa dulo and then insert natin siya. Kasi mas malinis siya tingnan pag naka-insert na. So pag nakaikot na yan lahat, so mas maganda siya tingnan. Na din ito, kung sobrang haba yung excess na dahon, pwede siya gawing parang sling dew para hindi siya pag may hangin, hindi siya malalaglag o matagtag.
I see. Okay.
So, yan. Kung saan pa tapat, doon mo lang siya i-insert para mas lalo siya maganda tingnan. Saka siya malinis pag nakamalak na or nahabi na yung Then i-cut natin ano, after na. Na-insert na lahat.